Welcome to Miradore. Let's show you around. From this welcome page, you have multiple tools to help you get started. From the setup guide, enrollment helper, virtual showroom, to our knowledge base, and of course these video tutorials. The setup guide provides you with complete step-by-step instructions for an easy and flawless setup. In the Miradore dashboard, you see a customizable overview of your devices. Reports shows you either a list of predefined reports or your own tailor-made reports specific to your needs. Devices reporting their location when enabled, or ones whose location has been set manually, will show on the map. Android Enterprise allows you to define the enrollment settings for fully managed devices and fully managed devices which include a work profile. You can also configure your zero-touch enrollment settings for the most streamlined automatic enrollment experience. Your Apple Automated Device Enrollments will show here in the Apple Automated Device Enrollment tab. Multiple enrollment profiles and user assignments can also be found here. You will first need to connect your Apple Business or School Manager account with Miradore for this tab to show. Enroll Device gives you several options for single device enrollments on all operating systems. The enrollment log is a listing of all completed and ongoing device enrollments. Launch remote support sessions right from Miradore to view or control Windows, Android, iOS, or macOS devices. You can also view and generate reports on past support sessions. In the Devices view, you see an overview of all enrolled devices. You can double-click on a device for a more detailed view, or by ticking the box, you can, for example, send a message or wipe the device, should it happen to be lost or stolen. Configuration profiles are your managed settings across all platforms. We've pre-made a few for you, and you can create new ones by clicking the Add button. You'll find a list of all your apps in the Applications view. You can add multiple types of new apps by clicking Add. Similarly, Files and Certificates show you a list of those uploaded to Miradore. Click Add to upload more. Automate the deployment of configuration profiles, applications, files, and certificates using business policies. Deploy to groups of devices using tags, and define the order of installation if needed as well. The patch status of your Windows and macOS devices is shown in the Patch view. Configure rules and pilot groups in the installation settings. The action log shows all actions performed in your Miradore site and the user who did the action. Users refers to your device users. You can import these users and also add accounts, such as email accounts. Use attributes to define some custom information related to the devices, locations, organizations, as well as the tags that you're using. Retired Devices gives a listing of all of your devices which have been removed from Miradore, with timestamps for the retirement and additional information about the devices. In Permissions, you can see, edit, and add new permission data for your Miradore admins, editors, or readers. The infrastructure diagram is your control panel to important integrations with Apple, Google, and Microsoft, as well as enrollment settings and our API, helping you to get the most out of Miradore. Automate your device user management with integrations to Microsoft Entra ID and Google Workspace. This keeps the importing and updating of your users fast, secure, and error-free. You can manage your subscription and billing information in the subscription view. Adjust your personal settings by clicking the person icon in the top right. In addition to editing your personal information, you can also set multi-factor authentication, enable notifications, and configure remote assistance. Lastly, if you ever find yourself stuck, use the Contact Us dropdown to access our knowledge base or to ask a question to our amazing support team, where you can also grant reader access for easier troubleshooting and a faster resolution. For quick questions, you can also chat with us in real time.